Well, good evening, everyone. This is Mike Bass back again with another forecast update for this February the 16th, 2026. I'm hoping everybody had a great Monday out there so far. I bet it's a great Monday evening. Hope everybody can stay safe and well, and also enjoy the weather because it's the only weather you got. Okay, in tonight's video, we're going to be taking a look at the storm system moving across the country. Also, take a look at your local forecast. Also, your current watch and warning advisory map. And we got a lot to talk about in it. Also, the Storm Prediction Center outlook for severe weather. I'm not expecting any, but we can show you where the general thunderstorms are. And also take a look at the next 16 days snowfall totals across the lower 48. So if you have not subscribed to my channel, make sure you subscribe. Also like the video, share the video, and let's continue to get the show on the road there, folks. Alrighty, you can see here we got a pretty tranquil weather across the southeast from Texas to the Carolinas. You can see pretty quiet conditions. I got a little storm system here moving across the Baja region of California to Arizona, New Mexico, into portion of Oklahoma, and two areas of Nebraska and Kansas, Colorado and Wyoming, and North and South Dakota, a little bit in portion of Illinois. Another storm system here moving in New York State. We'll continue to exit stage east. That system here off the coast that brought the rain showers to the Carolinas and East Coast, and snow to the portion of the Mid-Atlantic. That will continue to race away from the area. Got shower activity, shower activity, snow activity, whatever you want to call it. We got it over in California, all the way to Washington, Oregon State, Idaho, Montana, and southwestern Canada as well. Alright, let's roll on into your local forecast now, and we'll show you what the forecast rolls out to be. We're going to take a look at your Tuesday outlook here in just a few minutes. Alright, here we go. Alright, see, we got snow flying from up here from Maine down to New Hampshire, Vermont, then from New York State to Michigan to Wisconsin to Minnesota to North and South Dakota, through Montana to New Mexico to Arizona, Utah, California, Nevada, all the way up to Washington, Oregon State, Idaho, and Montana. You can see mixed precipitation there as well. You can see some freezing rain from western New York State to Michigan, Lake Huron, Lake Superior, Wisconsin, Minnesota, over toward North Dakota. With some freezing rain possible. You can get a little bit of heavy snow with a portion of northern North Dakota, portion of Idaho, also northeastern areas of Oregon, southwestern Oregon through California, the Cascade Mountains of the California region, and also over here in portion of Utah, some heavy snow also possible in that area as well. Alright, critical fire weather over here in Nebraska, Kansas, Colorado, Texas, and Oklahoma. Thunderstorms and showers for south and southeastern area of Minnesota and Missouri, through Indiana, Illinois, also with Ohio, Pennsylvania, portion of western New York State, Michigan, and southern Wisconsin areas as well. Otherwise, make dry high pressure to remain in charge of your local forecast area for your Tuesday. Now, here's your Wednesday forecast rolling out in just a few minutes. Getting ahead of myself again, but excuse me about that. Let's go ahead and take a look now at your Wednesday outlook. Okay, alright, you can see we got some mixed precipitation up here from Maine down toward Rhode Island, Connecticut, New York State, Pennsylvania, Lake Huron, Lake Superior, over toward Wisconsin, through Minnesota, North and South Dakota, Nebraska, also into Colorado, New Mexico, to Arizona, Utah, to California, to Washington, Oregon State. Got some heavy snow over in areas of Oregon, California, and the California mountains, and northern California areas as well. Also across northern North Dakota. Also, we got freezing rain over here in areas of Wisconsin, stretching into New York State. Also toward southern Vermont, southern New Hampshire, Massachusetts, Connecticut, Rhode Island, New York State, Lake Huron, Lake Superior. Also, we got some heavy snow up here in Minnesota, North Dakota, and got snow flying there as well through northern Minnesota, through the Dakotas, Montana, Idaho, Washington State, now Wyoming, Colorado, South Dakota, also into Utah, can't get it out, Nevada, portion of California, Oregon states as well. Also, we got thunderstorms and showers from southern Illinois to Tennessee to northern Georgia, also western North Carolina, all the way to Pennsylvania, D.C., Delaware, and also in the portion of southern Michigan areas as well. Otherwise, expect dry high pressure to remain in charge of your local forecast area for your Wednesday. Alright, let's move on to the current watch and warning advisory map. You're located across the nation, and it should roll out something like this here. Alright, see what I'm talking about? We got a lot to talk about. We're going to start on the eastern seaboard. We got some special weather statements up here in Massachusetts, Connecticut, southern New York State, air quality alerts in southeastern Pennsylvania, more special weather statements in areas of Kentucky, also in the portions of Indiana, Illinois, also in the portion of Iowa, Kansas, Nebraska, also in the portion of Oklahoma, wind advisories there as well. Also, we have some red flag warning for North Texas, Oklahoma, Nebraska, Kansas, also in the portions of South Dakota, and one county in areas of Wyoming. Alright, we got some winter storm watches in effect for northern Michigan, also in Minnesota through the Dakotas, Montana. Also, we got a lot of winter storm warnings and winter weather advisories also for areas of Minnesota, northern areas of Wisconsin, and then more over here in Montana, Idaho, Washington, Oregon, California, Nevada, Utah, Colorado, also New Mexico, Arizona, Southern California as well. Got some wind advisories there as well across portions of southern Nevada, also into areas of Arizona, Utah, portions of Idaho areas as well, New Mexico, and also a portion of Colorado. Alright, got high wind warnings and watches from portions of Texas, New Mexico, all the way up to Oklahoma, Kansas, Colorado, Wyoming, also back up into Montana areas as well, and a little bit of portion of Utah areas also. Alrighty, we got some blowing dust advisories over portions of Texas, and then we got storm warnings in the Atlantic coastal water about 250 nautical miles offshore, and then off the coastal waters back toward the shoreline. You can see with some small craft advisories, also some along the coastal areas of South Carolina, down toward the east coast of Florida, Southern California to Washington State, around the Hawaiian chain island. Also has some surf advisories and some wind advisories across the Hawaiian chain island. Also small craft advisories, storm warnings around the Alaska region. Inland we have some blizzard warnings in the red, winter storm warnings in the pink, winter storm watches in the blue, and winter weather advisories for the purple. Alright, now let's move on to the Storm Prediction Center Outlook, and it should roll out something like this here for your Tuesday. Alright, this general thunderstorm proportion to Oregon all the way down to Southern California around the San Diego area, then Bismarck all the way over towards Chicago, Milwaukee all the way down to Kansas City. The general thunderstorm for day 2, which is Tuesday. Alright, Wednesday should roll out something like this here. Alright, general thunderstorm from Memphis, Tennessee, all the way to Bowling Green, Kentucky, Louisville, Indiana. Then we got from Milwaukee all the way over to Buffalo, New York area, and Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania, Fort Wayne, Indiana as well. That's just general thunderstorms expected. Alright, now here's the snowfall totals across the lower 48. Heavy snow over portions of New Brunswick, Maine, to Pennsylvania, to West North Carolina, Virginia, over to Ohio, South Canada, to Minnesota, Wisconsin, southwestern Canada, and then out west in Montana, stretching down to Arizona, New Mexico, California, Utah, Washington, Oregon State, and also some in portions of Kansas, Oklahoma, over to Missouri areas as well. Elsewhere, maybe about 2 to 3 inches, and then south of there, nothing is expected at this time. So, alright, well, I hope everybody enjoyed the video. Make sure you subscribe if you have not. Like the video, share the video. We'll catch you back in the next one. So have a wonderful take care, and also enjoy the weather, because it's the only weather you got.